all books. We can't carry books everywhere, but
Right.
there is it is very harmful to our eyes every time using laptop,
Right.
and uh, because of using a laptop every time there is many uh, uh, health issue.
Health
We
issues
get
can occur. Health
health
issues can
issue
occur.
can occur. uh,
Hmm.
so it is a disadvantage of ebooks,
Very
and
good.
there are many uh, apps in our laptop, so we distract by them.
We can get distracted by them. Yes, we can get distracted by them. Right.
By them.
Right. Absolutely right. Anita, your flow is getting better day by day, huh?
Thank you, ma'am.
Very
I feel good
good.
whenever you say that.
No, really. I really like to listen when you go into flow without even thinking a lot. That's good. Yes. Who would like to speak next?
Ma'am,
Sure.
if the books will replace on digital, so the burden of bed is less for students.
Okay.
As Amita ji said that there are merits and demerits of every. There are mm, um, there are many advantages of that. Mm, we can carry easily anywhere. We can read anywhere, and
Hmm. Like we can carry it easily anywhere. You can use this line. We can carry
and
it easily
children
anywhere. Hmm.
and children will become digital,
Hmm.
and
Hmm.
take disadvantage of this. They can take this advantage of this. Like
Right.
they took disadvantage of COVID time.
Right. It was a disadvantage for the children, yes. When we talk about the pandemic
Yes,
time,
ma'am.
you are very right. Because nobody
And
actually saw that there could be any merit in that. And even I did not feel any merit. Right.
yes, ma'am.
Continue.
Yes, ma'am. There are many app and there are many software of digital books. So we can't find perfect book for our
Huh.
requirement.
Hmm.
Sometimes we
Right.
are confused.
Yes. Sometimes we feel confused. Yes.
Hmm.
Neetuji, app,
Yes, ma'am.
not in app,
App.
application, app. Yes. Now it is
Hmm.
perfect. Yes.
Hmm.
Next, who would like to speak?
Shall I start?
Sure.
Both are right. That there are many advantages of with e-facility, but there are some harmful things. Ma'am, can I say harmful? नुकसान
Yes,
वाली
you can
चीजें भी
use that.
होती हैं.
You can use. That is right.
Yeah, there are some harmful things that children get and children get addiction with screen, even adult
Hmm.
also.
Yes.
Because
True.
yeah, and when children study on laptop or mobile phone, they
Hmm.
and there are no parents with them. Uh,
Huh. Neetuji, I can't hear you. Geeta, you there?
Am I audible, ma'am?
Now audible, yes.
Yeah. Uh, when children take study in laptop or mobile phones, they उसका फायदा उठाते हैं वो लोग बच्चे.
They take the advantage of it. They take
they,
advantage of it.
they take advantage of that. They minimize the screen, teacher screen, and they start the games or uh, yeah, my son is also do like that. And what say, yeah, on screen in social media, they give their some ads,
Advertisements,
that
yes.
are
There are few advertisements.
that,
Hmm.
that
Hmm.
that are not good for student, child.
Hmm.
And
Right.
student become advantages or e-facility, but they are also advanced with this social media, because
They
अरे
will.
यार ये
They
बाबा
will. They will.
yeah, they will also advance, and because of social media, because they shouldn't want to learn that thing, they also learn that. मतलब जो
Hmm.
उन्हें नहीं सीखना चाहिए वो भी सीखते हैं वो.
What they should not, yes, what they should not learn, they learn that too. Yes, right.
What they should not learn, they learn that
They
too.
learn that too. Very good.
Yeah, so there are both side. It's good for life and it's very harmful for life,
Yes, absolutely right. Perfect.
especially for child.
Huh. I can understand a mother has come out from you.
No, no, not only children. Whenever we are free, we,
It is
like,
actually harmful for us also,
and
not just for
after
the
some
kids.
time, we realize that waste of time.
After a few minutes, you realize, oh my God, we are just wasting the time over the phone. We could have actually done something fruitful, but we have actually wasted a lot of time already. Yes,
And
so true. Yes,
everyone has addiction with this.
yes. This is an addiction, right? Yes, Namita just left.
Yes, ma'am. I agree with all. Uh,
Hmm.
there are many pros and cons of if we replace book by e-gadgets. But first I discuss. First, it is very easy to store in a very short place. It is not heavy, and paper is made by wood. We use
Right,
trees to make paper.
right.
So if we replace by books by electronic gadget, we can save uh, thousands of trees.
Yes, that was a very strong point.
And we save and second thing is hard copies are always very expensive, and
Hmm.
ebooks are available on sometime we can free download, or it's a we can easy जैसे
We can
Kindle
download it for free. We can
हाँ
download it for free.
हाँ
We
and
can
some books
download.
are
Ma'am, please repeat.
free
We can download it for free.
it for free. So we can read many expensive book on leisure. We
Hmm.
don't have to pay more money. So it's
Yes, that much.
uh, advantage when we replace books by e-gadget, but there are many disadvantages are there. First, yes, there are many distraction on your screen, so it is very difficult to read a book
Hmm.
for many
Yes, so
most of
true.
the people, because
Huh,
uh, and
I agree.
second thing is, it's my personal experience that I always like to read hard book instead of
Just like
on
just like
screen.
me.
I
Huh.
don't know why,
It
but
somewhere
I
strains on
feel,
my eyes.
feel
I feel
joy.
like this is a psychology. It is a psychological problem that even I have, that I feel strain in my eyes. Huh.
Sometime I downloaded many
Hmm.
books, but I didn't feel
That much
joy.
enjoy you can. Yes, so
But
true.
whenever I take book and I start to read, I really enjoy. Actually,
Huh.
content and writer is also very important, but it's matter hard copy. And in laptop or e-copy, you are dependent on any electronic device and electricity and battery.
Yes.
And
Yes.
if you have hard copy, you can take it, and if power is cut, it's no problem, you can read
No problem.
if you want to read. So
Right.
there are
Absolutely.
many problem, many but in a electronic device you can store a lot of books in a simple memory card, a small memory card.
Huh.
So
Right.
you have store a lot of books. But I
Yes.
think books are really hard copies are really better than
Huh.
electronic.
That is that is something even I feel.
Ma'am, and
Ma'am, because
sometime we, if you touch the screen, sometime if you touch the screen while reading, so you can find your you can find your current page.
Yes, right. Even I feel so that what happens, your data might get removed or might get vanished from your phones or any of the e-gadget. But the data removing or vanishing won't be there in your hard copies. Even I like to write vocabulary and everything, all the notes in my hard copies itself. I do have a lot of notes in my phone as well when it comes to sharing some assignments or something. But I really like to frame it on my own. So I have numerous diaries for it. I really don't know that's why do I like it, but yes, I still like to use my pen and paper, and I like to write. So I
One
can
point
write.
also, that all gazmo are the main cause of many health and psychological illness.
Huh, right.
If we use screen for a long time, it's create many physical and psychological problems.
Yes, the psychological problem is always there. You are very right there.
Yes, ma'am.
I
If you use screen for a long time, you feel depression, sadness,
Huh, huh,
irritation.
right, 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 right. Absolutely right. These are some points which are not discussed yet, but they are so important as well, right, Malika ji? Okay,
reading and
fine.
writing.
Yesterday, yes, yes, Kitu you're saying something?
I want to say reading and writing. This is also exercise for our eyes or our body.
Huh, huh. That is an exercise for the body, yes. So true. Hand movement or an eye movement, because that is also very necessary part.
मैम, इफ
So
आई वांट टू से कि जैसे हम कभी
Yeah, network
बातचीत
issue
में
है यार,
बोलते हैं ना
बहुत
कि
ज्यादा।
मैं भी अच्छा खाना बनाती हूँ, तुम भी, मुझे भी आम
true.
पसंद नहीं है, तुमको भी, तो यू टू
Mhm.
ऐसा करके बोलेंगे या कोई और तरीका?
Yes. You can use it in this way that I don't like fruits, even you too. Even
ओके.
you too. T-double-O-1. Yes, that is only used. But if you want any other alternate, I can think over it. But this is a right one. This is an appropriate one. Okay. You too. Okay, yesterday I have given you the homework, as you remember, related to your pronouns. I hope you people have done it, though I have not got the answers of it. So I hope that I'll get it today. Okay, no problem. I understand. But try to share at least one sentence or two sentences of each. as many as the people can do. Okay, Geeta ji, you can ask the homework to anybody here. Okay, and one more
Honestly, I
thing.
said, ma'am, I didn't do my homework yesterday, but today I will.
No problem. Yesterday, which pronoun have we discussed? I, we
Ma'am,
is
you
done.
and
You,
they.
yes.
You and they.
I, we, you, they is done. Let us just discuss about he, she, it. So let us just finish this nominative case and objective case, right? Hika, please write down all the possible synonyms, or sorry, possible pronouns. That is him, himself, him, himself, his, him, himself, his, and any other? No. His is used for the possession, his book, his pen, okay, his car, and himself मतलब खुद ही नहीं कर रहा, himself, he himself uh, hurt, he hurts himself, sorry. So there you're telling about कि उसने खुद को hurt कर लिया, ठीक है? That is used for, of course, the male category. And what else? Him. It is done by him. Him is used as an object. Object के form में use होता है he का, ठीक है? Him. And when you talk about she, please write down all the possible pronouns. Her, herself, her, herself, and hers. Hers, hers. It is hers. Possession के लिए हो गया, ठीक है? It is just like mine or its जो
And
हमने किया था. Yes, right.
mine.
और हाँ, और her book या फिर hers is one and the same thing. जैसे this book is hers, or you can say this is her book. Both have the same meanings. Okay. Then जैसे it is his book and this book is his. तो उसमें कोई भी आपका objective case नहीं जाता. He में. That is his में. You won't put any other plural noun, right? Plural suffix. तो वो सिर्फ his ही रहेगा. Then we have it. Write down itself, its. Any other? Itself and its.
It's ma'am.
That's its.
It's
Okay, let me tell you the difference between its and it is apostrophe s. It's his, यानी कि ये उसका है. जब हम possession की बात करते हैं तब its आ जाएगा. ठीक है? जब हम apostrophe s यूज करते हैं, apostrophe s, then it is
then
her pen.
it is.
So apostrophe s means that is is. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Please try to frame the sentences. आप अभी ये भी कर सकते हो that if you not have done any of the sentence yet, you can just write down one or two sentences each. सबके ऊपर एक एक sentence लिख लो for each. I का, me का, myself, then you, then yourself. But please frame at least one sentence of each. Okay, those who have not made yet. That's all. Okay.
Thank
Good
you, ma'am.
afternoon. Take care. You're welcome.
Good afternoon. Thank you.